Okay, wait until you see this. Tucked away in southern Maine is a property that feels like your own national park. 250 acres of pure beauty, complete with not one, but two cabins and a massive Quonset hut, all perfectly off the grid. This is where peace, privacy, and pure wilderness come together like nowhere else. It's the ultimate off-grid retreat, blending modern comfort with that untamed Maine landscape we all dream about. Let's start with what the owners affectionately call the pizza cabin, and you'll see why. This one-bedroom hideaway is fully finished and move-in ready. It's powered by solar energy with propane backup for the range and hot water, giving you that perfect balance of sustainability and convenience. Inside, you've got a cozy wood stove, a heat pump with AC, and all the comforts of home. But step outside, and it's something truly magical. Picture this, the sun dipping behind the hills, the wood-fired pizza oven warming up on the patio, friends arriving with smiles and laughter, you're pouring wine, the fire pit crackles, and suddenly you realize this is the Maine life you've been dreaming of. Now, just a short walk away, there's Camp Sunshine, the second cabin, nearly complete and designed for long-term living. The open-concept main level features a modern kitchen with granite countertops, a gas range, and a cozy propane fireplace. Inside, you've got a huge-shaped propane fireplace with a live wood mantel and oversized bay windows. Upstairs, the entire floor belongs to the primary suite, with panoramic forest views. Solar and septic are roughed in, ready for your finishing touches. And then, for the dreamers, creators, and adventurers, check out the Quonset hut. This massive structure could be your workshop, your gear storage for ATVs and snowmobiles, or even your next big project space, maybe an indoor pickleball court, art studio, or creative retreat. The land itself, it's absolutely incredible. 250 acres of rolling hills, forest, and meadows. Hike, hunt, snowmobile, or simply explore, all on your own private wilderness. It's peaceful, it's powerful, and it's a once-in-a-lifetime chance to truly live off the grid. And even with all the seclusion, you're still connected. Just 2 hours from Boston, about an hour to North Conway, New Hampshire, and the Maine seacoast. If you've been waiting for a property that feels like your own private world, this is it. 250 acres of pure Maine magic, ready to explore, enjoy, and call your own.